Join Arts and Crafty Central for the 12 days of Craftsmas. Up until Christmas, we'll be releasing 12 crafts, either holiday-themed or perfect for holiday gifts. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the holiday fun. To begin, paint a small terracotta pot white. Next, sketch the hairline out in pencil and then paint the hair black. Paint the inside of the whole pot black too. Once that's all dry, use a small brush to paint some closed eyes with some eyelashes. Add a nose and add Frida Khalo's famous unibrow. Then paint some bright red lips. Next, hot glue 3 flowers onto the top of the pot. To finish it off, add a coat of Mod Podge to the whole thing except for the flowers. Here's how the DIY Frida Khalo pen cup turned out. It can be the perfect holiday gift for your artistic friend, or it could even be a gift for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next day of Craftsmas.